Super excited today because I'll be delivering my very first secondary math video tutorial for this new academic year. So let's dive into this indices question. Solve the following, meaning you need to find what is the value of n in this case, right? So what we notice is 27 and 3, they are both the bases of 3. 27, for example, can be pushed to 3 cubed. And 3 to the power n is there. Square root means there is a power of half there. And everything is equals to 1. Okay, so to bring this 3 cubed to the top, the power just switches in signs. It will become 3 to the power of negative 3. Divide by 3 to the power of n times half is half n equals to 1. Okay, whenever you have a bracket, you basically multiply the powers to remove the bracket. So 3 to the power of negative 3 minus half n. When you have the same base and it's a divide, you can basically just subtract the power and everything is equals to 1. 3 to the power of negative 3 minus half n is equivalent. Now 1, you can change it to the base of 3 to the power of 0. 1 is a very convenient number. It's basically just any number to the power of 0. From here on, we can then compare the powers. Right, so this power here is basically equals to 0 because the base is the same. Alright, so negative 3 minus half n is just 0. Negative 3 is basically equals to positive half n. You bring it to the other side becomes positive. And half n is equals to negative 3. N is equals to, you times 2 on both sides. Negative 3 times 2, that will give you negative 6 as our final answer for this indices problem.